we going to swamp?
Yeah, we're all going to swamp. Let's push all together at the same time. Keep that nice online formation. That's all we gotta do.
Oh, my ass hurts so much. Oh my god.
Dayton, take the right side far. Take Tim with you. Push up that way. Matthew, you go on this side. Push up this way. Scott, you're center with me. Wait for everybody to come online. Okay, let's go. Matthew, let's go. Push up. Don't pull a Simon. Eyes and ears, eyes and ears. Contact to our 10 o'clock in the woods. 2 contacts. Dayton, set up that way. Contacts that way. Yeah, to our 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. Get to cover. 2, 3, 4. 4 contacts up ahead. Spread out. Yeah, go that way. Incoming. Shots fired. 10 o'clock. Yeah. Roger. Guys, moving up to the right. Be advised. He's moving up center. Matthew, what do you have on your left side there?
People coming from that way.
Okay. Stay down, stay down. You're getting shot at.
One shot fast. People down that way.
Roger. Scott, come with me on the right side flank then. Matthew, we're gonna go right side flank over. Let's go. Yeah, we got enough people defending it. Nine o'clock. Yeah, we heard you. Don't worry. Come back. 9 o'clock. Far. 9 o'clock far. They're pushing up towards where Patricia and Chantel is.
Oh, I got eyes.
Yep. Right here.
See that tree right ahead?
They're outflanking us.
Right behind that tree.
Yep, I see his head. Keep on going. You're hitting the tree, you're good.
Dayton, you got 1 contact coming up to the swamp fortress. Roger. See them. They're moving up. They're getting close. What happened there? Okay, just watch this direction here. And then you can watch this direction here. Yeah, move out to that tree there. You as well, just stay there. Just watch that way. I want you to watch that way because they're pushing up there.
Oh shit, down.
Get down.
Down. You too as well. Especially you, Dave.
Fuck. Get down. Coming in from 11 o'clock in the woods.
Hey buddy, watch when you peek out, eh?
Can't see him. He's deep in the woods there.
We also got a guy straight there.
Okay, we need to make a retreat. This is a bad cover. Tim, where's Dayton? Here, Roger. 2 moving right. 2 moving right.
They're moving up quick.
They're moving up quick. 3 moving right.
Is that fish?
Yeah, it's fish. Still 1 dude to our far here. Reloading. He didn't fall for it.
I seen what you did there. That's ruthless.
He's still hanging out in that big tree where the nice, in front of that nice highlight in the opening there. He's coming out. Tim, you want to deal with this asshole right over here? Movers, left, one guy. There's one guy in that big ass tree there. You see that highlighted area? Right behind it is a big ass tree. He's right below it. Yeah, he just keeps peeking out. I'm gonna deal with that guy on the right side. Or sorry, yeah, on the left side. He'll pop out once in a while. We're gonna support left side here because we're getting flanked. Just we're getting flanked.
You got it?
No, we're getting flanked from this side.
The main side is like overwhelmed with enemies right now.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna try to move up to that cover there, and then you see if you can move up there. You see that? See that fork up there? The tree right here. Where I'm looking. Where I'm pointing that there. The big tree with the fork, you could go right on top of it and see what's on top of it. I'm gonna do that right now. Okay. Hey. What do you have? Watch out, cows down there. Hey, Scott. Password. There's a sniper right at my 12 o'clock close to the swamp base over. Sniper to the 12 o'clock. That way. Patricia, one flank to the rear. I'll vote back there. I'll deal with this here. Relay that to Patricia right now. 12 o'clock. He's close. I got one dude stump cut off with the moss right there. Okay, he's at the back of it. We got one contact, 6 o'clock as well. Patricia's dealing with it. What's going on, Simon? Okay. Yeah. Roger. What? Like the stump? Okay, roger that. Scott?
Wait, this stump right here?
Yeah, that one? No, to your 11 o'clock, that's where he's at. That big stump right there. Probably a little bit ahead. That's what he's saying.
This one or this one?
No, would be close to my 12 o'clock here. You're 11:30.
Oh, that one.
Yeah.
He's still there? No, I think I got him.
You got him? Okay. But that stump right to your 9 o'clock there to right over there. That's where I saw him at the back of it. Get down.
Nice shot. Yo, stop. On your 9.
He's dead.
Still there.
Roger. You okay there, Peter?
I just murdered a whole bunch of children, boy.
Oh my God.
Okay, you're good.
You're a murderer. You're a horrible person.
How's gamer?
bunch of kids inside the stump and I just killed them.
I feel sad for the other two.
One guy at my tree 50 feet off.